You think you know me? You think you know my struggles? My pain, my journey? Let me tell you something. Don't judge me by what you see or hear. I didn't walk this path to impress anyone. Judge me when you are perfect. Otherwise, shut up. You think you have the right to judge me? To talk about my life, my choices, my struggles? Look in the mirror first. Are you perfect? Have you never made a mistake? If not, then shut up. People love to point fingers, to act like they know everything, but they don't know my story. I don't know the battles I've fought, the pain I've endured. Hey guys, good morning, good morning. Hari baru selesai kerja. Hello. Ya, hari masih bangun lagi apa ini kan? Hari belum amigo.
Ano gagawa mo? Ano yan? Ano? Ay! Tapon na.